What's up guys, it's Cole with Pete and Pedro, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to grow your hair faster, longer, and healthier. And the first tip I have for you guys is to only trim when it is absolutely necessary. There's a common misconception among men that think, if I go out and get my hair trimmed, that'll make my hair grow faster. But in reality, that is actually not the case. The only thing going out to get a trim is doing is cutting off your split ends. Now yes, it may make your hair look a lot nicer and less frizzy, but it absolutely will not make your hair grow faster. When I was growing my hair out, I only got my hair trimmed twice within the whole year. The next tip is to brush your hair more gently, especially if you're growing out your hair and your hair is starting to get longer. Your hair will be a lot more open to breakage, so make sure you are brushing very carefully. And in order to do this carefully, I would recommend investing in some sort of wide tooth comb because this won't tug and pull your hair as much. Next, and probably the most important tip, is you need to be using the right hair products. And trust me guys, I've been in your shoes when I go out to the drugstore, find the cheapest 2-in-1, but I'm telling you guys right now, you gotta ditch those 2-in-1s because there are so many better options. And of course, one of the best options out there is none other than Pete and Pedro. And the two Pete and Pedro products I have in my hands right now is the volumizing and thickening Biotin shampoo, as you can see right here, and then I got the volume and strengthening Biotin conditioner, as you can see right here. And guys, these are both amazing. I believe that the main reason I have so much volume in my hair is because of these two products right here. And like I mentioned, these two products have something called biotin in it, which will really strengthen your hair and make it way more healthy. And another absolute game changer when you're growing out your hair is the Pete and Pedro Argan oil. Guys, I can't describe what this argan oil does for my hair. It literally makes my hair feel so much shinier, silkier, and just overall healthier. I also like to blow dry my hair like almost every day, and using this argan oil adds another layer of protection, so I know that my hair will still be shiny and healthy even after I'm done blow drying it. And the last tip I have for you guys is to start taking hair supplements. Look, your hair needs certain vitamins and nutrients in order for it to grow. And yes, you can get these vitamins and nutrients from your everyday diet, but you're most likely not getting all of them, so that's when the supplements take place. And guys, if you guys are looking for by far the easiest supplement you ever have to take, then look no further because these biotin gummies are literally like the best supplement ever. If you guys haven't noticed by now, biotin is super important for hair growth because the two shampoos I showed earlier have it, and there's even a whole supplement for it. Now, the reason these are so great is because they taste so freaking amazing. Like guys, I literally look forward to taking this supplement every day. And another little bonus tip with this is it actually helps with your skin and nails as well. So all around, just an amazing supplement. And guys, that's gonna be it for me today. Those were just some of the best ways to grow your hair faster, longer, and healthier.